Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Bad boys, bad boys, bad.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Yo, I don't know. It's like we got people like trying to challenge us for something. You know what I'm saying? And I don't really know how it's going down, but I don't even see why it's coming about. Why you feel that's coming about like?
I don't know, cause my thing is this: if you the king and the prince, why you worry about some tag team champs? They want everything. They greedy. They greedy.
They want everything. They want everything.
Everything.
All the titles.
I mean, what kind of shit is that? If I was the king of motherfucking New Orleans, I wouldn't give a damn about no tag team champ. But hey, it is what it is.
We ain't never put out no challenge for, you know, no king or no prince or nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? But people want to put out challenges to us because we got little certificates, little trophies, tag team champs, you know what I'm saying? Best duo.
Yeah, because we earned our shit.
Yeah, we earned it. But, you know what I'm saying? It's like, they want to call us out a little bit, so I guess we're going to call y'all out. It's like this. If y'all want to battle, we can battle. Mono, Imano. You know what I'm saying? Tag team. Y'all do y'all thing, we do our thing. But catch is, if y'all want what we got, what we officially got,
what we earned,
y'all have to put up what y'all got. Like you say, mix it all up in a pot and just winner take all. King, Prince, tag team title.
I like that. But then look, this was funny to me. Bedrock say the new kids on the block. Now Bedrock can get away with that because he what, like 22 right now?
He's 21. He'll be 22 in September.
Cayenne is not a kid.
You're a grown ass man, nigga.
Since he was 15.
Yeah, nobody don't know that. Nobody don't know that.
He was in the club pussy popping. He was dancing to that beat. Yeah, they don't know that.
But
that nigga was my size.
But we can go ahead and do that. But why you want to do it at?
I don't care. I like the show. I like that venue. That's a nice show. That's a nice venue because it's big.
Yeah.
But to keep the overhead low, we could do it at Red Velvet. But the one thing about that is, see, I said I wasn't gonna battle no more ever since the Unforgettable thing. You feel me? If we do it on a Wednesday night and we make it a special edition of Wild Out Wednesday, then we're gonna have to discuss the financial situation. That's just my take on it. That's my opinion. But it's gonna be packed.
We got a big spot on Mondays though.
The Fountain of Youth. We could do. Matter of fact, I wasn't even thinking about that because we did move it from H2O.
Yeah.
So you know what?
That's our home turf. You know what I'm saying? That's
yeah.
Like our home turf.
And since y'all the king and the prince, y'all should be able to do it anyway. So that's what we're gonna do it on a Monday. That's what we're gonna do it on. It's gonna be a special edition of Meat Market Monday. That's what it's gonna be at the Fountain of Youth.
And it's gonna be the tag team champs versus the king and the prince. Winner take all. What y'all say about that?
I'm even get my hair redone for you.
I go hard in the
what y'all say about that? All up in the pot. Just put all of it all up in the pot. Let's do it like that.
I like that. So,
on a serious note. On a serious note. Message!
You know, since I'm gonna be on the fly, I won't have to dope.
Yeah, you gotta get half.
Gotta get half.
You gotta get half the dope.
But we'll chop it up later.
Yeah, we'll chop it up. We'll chop it up later about that. But anyway, that's our lowdown on the get down. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to go ahead and do that, we'll do it. We just get together. We'll chop it up.
Yeah. But we gotta discuss this financial situation.
For real.
It's gonna be packed. Cause there's gonna be a whole lot of women in there to support y'all. And it's gonna be so wonderful to kick y'all ass in front of all y'all fans. That's gonna be wonderful.
I know.
That's gonna be wonderful.
But the thing about it is,
I do it.
if y'all fans was to go on and judge it, would they be fair? Because which one of y'all gonna choreograph?
Bedrock gonna do the choreography because Cayenne can't dance.
Which one of y'all gonna do the choreography? I don't think 12 can't help y'all. I ain't gonna
dance either. That's my partner, but he's slow and sexy. He can't dance.
I can't help y'all because y'all like challenging us. So which one of y'all gonna do it? I'm just trying to figure it out without. Y'all might need to fly somebody in on that.
Y'all ask here.
For real. That's my brother. But anyway, that's how we gonna do it. So when y'all ready, let us know. Tag team champs signing out.
I hope y'all do some hits. It's gonna be funny to see Cayenne do that shit. That nigga look like he like the nigga tied up like he trying to break out of something.
Getting out of shade.
What the fuck?
It's all cool. So y'all hit us up about that. We out.
And we don't want no problems. Okay, you're a goon. What's it going to a goblin? Yeah, it came on the beat. I fuck around and leave a nigga brains on the street. Ooh. Now pop that pussy. I bring her to my bedroom and pop that pussy. And we be steady mobbing. Oh, Kemosabe, big ballin' is my hobby.
What the fuck is up? It's Gucci Man the G. It's Titty Boy, no PD Boy, bitch Cross City the city boy. So I see, so no Nike boy, just Gucci, Louis Prada, excuse me. Gucci Man keep shitting on me. Why that boy keep buying shit? He still on the cock and hammers, bandanas on car antennas. No, we do not talk to strangers, just cut off these niggas' fingers. Gucci's something dangerous, cocaine, codeine, and major though. This AK-47, I hit you everywhere from the ankle up. This ain't sizing me alone, clip long as a Pringles can. 4-5 Desert Eagle on me, you think I'm an Eagles fan. Tony Brash the sniper rifle, make it never breathe again. Fuck that nigga, kill that nigga, bring him back in him again.